Hello friends, now we see subtopic 7, problem number 8 of chapter limits. The problem number 8 is limit extends to 27 x raised 2 by 3 minus 9 whole thing divided by x minus 27. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we denote given limit as a L. So L is equal to limit extends to 27 x raised 2 by 3 minus 9 upon x minus 27. So the next step will be limit extends to 27, we write as it is x raised 2 by 3 minus, now instead of writing 9 can be written as 27 raised 2 by 3 upon x minus 27, we write as it is. Since if you simplify 27 raised 2 by 3, so 27 can be written as 3 cube whole bracket raised 2 by 3, and we cancel here 3 from the power, so we left with only 3 square, and that gives us 9. It means 9 can be written as 27 whole bracket raised 2 by 3. So now here we can apply the theorem that limit x tends to a x raised n minus a raised n upon x minus a, and that equal to n into a raised n minus 1. Now by using this formula we get 2 by 3 into 27 raised 2 by 3 minus 1, and that equal to 2 by 3 into 27 raised. Now in power we go for cross multiply, and that gives 2 minus 3 upon 3, that is minus 1 upon 3. So the next step will be 2 by 3 into, now 27 I can write 3 cube, and that whole bracket raised minus 1/3 power. So 2 by 3 into, here we cancel 3 in the power, so we left with only 3 raised minus 1. Next step will be 2 by 3 into 3 raised minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 3. And on multiplying we get 2 into 1 2, and 3 into 3 we get 9. So the final answer is 2 upon 9. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.